One of the best upgrades I've done in the office was to put bigger wheels on my office chair. And this is a set of large wheels. These are basically the wheels that would be on a roller blade. So these are a set of 5 large wheels that upgrade your existing office chair to these large 3-inch casters. So they're bearing casters on a urethane wheel. These are from EMNT. They replace your standard wheel on most every office chair out there. They're super strong metal, and then this urethane wheel on bearings. There's 5 of them, so if you've got a chair with 4 or 5 wheels, you're going to be set. And you just, if you need to, you just take a rubber hammer and tap on the chair. The wheel will probably pop right out, your old wheels. You can put these in. They're so high that they have a great center of balance. They roll easily. They glide across floors. These are great for tile floors. These are great for wood floors that have any kind of texture to them. These are great for carpets. The center of the wheel is so high up that carpet fibers and stuff don't get stuck in there. These are great for concrete floors that have any kind of issues. These are great for brick floors. I've had such a great time with these. I want to thank EMNT for sending us this set to check out. I'm really looking forward to upgrading my current chair. Hope this helps.